10 2014 Ford Focus Battery 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Premium AGM Car Battery Replacement. Tired of unreliable starts? Upgrade to our Premium AGM Car Battery, engineered for peak performance and ultimate peace of mind. This robust 12V95 AGM battery is an exact fit for your BCI 49DIN H8L5 vehicle, delivering dependable power you can trust. Designed specifically for modern start-stop vehicles, it's completely maintenance-free, no fussing with water or acid, ensuring both convenience and enhanced safety. Plus, expect up to 10% fuel savings and a 20% reduction in CO2 emissions on every drive. We believe in real quality. Its substantial weight confirms ample lead content, guaranteeing superior durability and consistent, long-lasting performance. Invest in power that's built to go the distance. Number 9. Weize Platinum H6 760cc AGM Car Battery. Upgrade to uncompromising reliability with the Weize Platinum H6 760cc AGM Car Battery. Engineered for peak performance, its 760 cold cranking amps (cca) ensure powerful, instant starts in any climate, from scorching heat to freezing -22 degrees Fahrenheit. This 70Ah AGM powerhouse offers up to double the cycle life of conventional batteries, making it incredibly durable and long-lasting. Designed for modern stop-start, luxury, and high-performance vehicles, it effortlessly handles demanding electrical loads. Enjoy enhanced safety with a sealed, spill-proof design and low self-discharge for quick starts even after extended storage. Remember to verify dimensions: 10.94-inch LX 6.89, WX 7.48, H, and terminal position for a perfect fit, ensuring your vehicle receives the superior AGM power it deserves. Number 8. Weize Platinum AGM Group 47 Car Battery. Upgrade to the Weize Platinum AGM Group 47 Car Battery for unwavering performance, especially in the cold. Its robust 680cca ensures quick, confident starts every time, even in harsh weather. With a substantial 60Ah capacity, this advanced AGM battery delivers consistent power and recharges faster, offering up to double the cycle life of conventional batteries. Perfectly designed for vehicles with start-stop technology and those running multiple accessories, it provides the sustained power you need. Enjoy peace of mind with its leak-proof, maintenance-free design, built for superior vibration resistance and lasting durability. Just confirm the dimensions: 9.52-inch LX 6.89, WX 7.48, H, and terminal position for a perfect fit, and drive with ultimate reliability. Number 7. Dorman Ford/Lincoln Battery Tray Replacement. Is your Ford or Lincoln battery tray showing its age? Don't risk costly damage from an unsecured battery. Our Dorman replacement tray is engineered as a direct match to your original equipment, guaranteeing a perfect fit and dependable function. Crafted from durable, quality materials, it reliably secures your battery, preventing vibration-related issues and giving you peace of mind. You'll appreciate getting OE-level quality without the hefty dealership price tag. It's a truly smart, cost-effective repair. Every tray undergoes rigorous vehicle fitment and dimensional testing, so you can install it with absolute confidence. For an exact match, simply use our garage tool to input your make, model, and trim. Restore your vehicle's integrity the right way. Number 6. Ford Focus Escape 2012 to 2018 Negative Battery Cable Sensor. Experiencing inconsistent starting or electrical glitches in your Ford Focus 2012 to 2018 or Escape 2013 to 2019? A failing negative battery cable sensor could be the culprit. Our expertly crafted replacement is designed for seamless integration, matching OEM part numbers like AV6Z, 10C679M perfectly. Constructed from robust, high-quality materials, this cable ensures lasting durability and consistent power delivery, banishing those frustrating intermittent issues. Say goodbye to complex installations. Its direct plug-and-play design means no extra wiring, making replacement quick and hassle-free for any DIY enthusiast. Drive with confidence knowing you've installed a reliable component. Plus, our dedicated support team is always here to ensure your complete satisfaction. Get your Ford running flawlessly again. Number 5. MARXON BCI 48 AGM Start-Stop Car Battery. Upgrade your drive with the MARXON BCI 48 AGM Start-Stop Car Battery. This powerful 12V70 AGM battery is expertly engineered for modern vehicles, perfectly supporting your car's start-stop function. Imagine saving 10% on gas and reducing CO2 emissions by 20%. That's smart, efficient driving. Thanks to advanced materials, it charges an impressive 40% faster than traditional SLA batteries, getting you back on the road quicker. Our patented alloy ensures superior corrosion resistance and a leak-proof design, making it incredibly safe and maintenance-free. No need to add acid or water ever. Experience peak performance, enhanced safety, and significant savings with MARXON. Number 4. Bosch S6 AGM Battery. Ready to upgrade your vehicle's power source? The Bosch S6 AGM battery delivers the ultimate in reliable performance, designed for drivers who demand more. Forget messy checks. Its maintenance-free, spill-proof design ensures carefree usage from day one. Thanks to enhanced charge acceptance, your battery recharges faster, keeping you powered even under extreme conditions. What truly sets it apart is the Energy Life technology, providing up to double the lifespan of conventional batteries. That's years of dependable starts. Plus, for complete peace of mind, every S6 AGM comes with a robust 4-year free replacement warranty and free roadside assistance. Drive with confidence, knowing Bosch has your back. Number 3. Ford Escape Focus Positive Battery Cable Terminal. Experiencing electrical inconsistencies in your Ford Escape or Focus? The heart of your vehicle's power lies in a robust battery connection. Our premium positive battery cable terminal is the exact replacement you need, seamlessly fitting your Ford Escape 2013 to 2019 and Ford Focus 2012 to 2018, directly replacing CV6 Z14300A. Excessive corrosion or electrical draw can compromise your vehicle's critical systems. This high-quality automotive starter cable is engineered with durable materials, precisely meeting original manufacturer specifications to ensure stable voltage and current flow. Restore optimal performance and reliability to your onboard electrical components. It's a direct replacement that guarantees long service life and peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. Ford Focus Escape Positive Battery Cable 2012 to 2018. Experiencing starting issues or inconsistent power in your Ford Focus or Escape 2012 to 2018. Don't let a failing cable leave you stranded. Our premium positive battery cable, replacement for CV6 Z14300A, is expertly engineered for a perfect, direct fit. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials through professional manufacturing processes, this cable guarantees superior electrical conductivity and exceptional durability. Its robust design withstands daily wear, stretching, and bending, while the external protective layer actively prevents internal rust and ensures optimal performance in any condition. Installation is truly hassle-free. A simple plug-and-play replacement means no complex tools or techniques are required, saving you significant time and money. Restore reliable power to your vehicle confidently and get back on the road. Number 1. Ford Focus/C-Max/Escape Negative Battery Cable Sensor 2013 to 2019. Keep your Ford Focus, C-Max, or Escape's essential electrical system running optimally with our premium negative battery cable sensor. Specifically designed for 2013 to 2019 models, this isn't just a replacement. It's a guaranteed, precision fit, meticulously cross-referencing numerous OE numbers like AV6, Z10C, 679P for your peace of mind. Crafted from high-quality copper and durable plastic, it boasts excellent stability and conductivity, undergoing rigorous testing to ensure an unwavering performance standard. Forget complex and costly repairs. This direct replacement simplifies installation, letting you confidently swap out the old part yourself with ease. Restore reliable power delivery and drive with complete confidence, knowing you've installed a robust, factory-spec component built to last. So, that sums up my 2014 Ford Focus battery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have